Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2011 BMW X5 35i. This one's red. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter inline-6 twin-turbo pushing out 300 horsepower. For wheels we've got 19-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A beige leather interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our X5 badging, a power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, in back we've got rear climate controls, up front we've got a nice wood trim, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, heated seats, our radio, automatic transmission. This X5 has 83,249 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this BMW, check out feldmannimports.com.